Right, this is the Great Flavoured Cider Hack. So from Tesco's, a Crofters 2 litre bottle. So that's £2.05 for that bottle. So that's £1.5 a litre. And the magical ingredients: Tesco Summer Fruits Quadruple Strength Juice. So these bottles are £1. What's interesting here is that they're no added sugar concentrates. So they do a summer fruits, cherries and berries, and apple and blackcurrant. So you want to see the hack. So the hack is simply to a pint glass of the concentrate. You want approximately 20 ml into the pint glass. Open the cider without spilling it in the glass. And there you have your own DIY flavoured cider hack. Try it and thank me later.